people that in every adversity, there will always be opportunity. This is an opportunity for farmers. This is an opportunity for tomorrow we will be planting 200 Kuyaki seedlings in the municipality of Talisayan. So in every adversity, there will always be an opportunity. But I would like to apologize, medyo nalangan ko pagpupot sa mikropono because I was talking to General Manager Sabal. Because today, as we open and celebrate the second Kuyaki Festival, I also made it official to declare and declare already that we are in blue alert because of the weather again. It does not matter because I am, as I was told, that we should look at not the storm signal that we second anniversary, second year of celebration, and it is our 85th birthday. No, ikaw 85 anyos na ito na adlaw na tauman. And I do hope and pray that not only we will be 85, but we will reach years not only in age but also in development of the province, especially when it comes to tourism. Dilitiao, a multi-billion dollar industry. Once it starts, I know nobody can stop it. Same problem, Director Chan. We started already ang among watchtower sa Agutayan. We started already sa Tagulong Falls. We are having problems with some of the municipalities because some of the properties were titled. Wala hindi makalipok. Walang problema.